The euro is flexing its muscles against the British pound. You can see here on the daily chart the euro versus the pound, and it's doing it with textbook precision. In today's analysis, I will show you how the euro versus the British pound, the cable, also called the cable, is one of the major cross pairs, has created a clean imbalance at around 0.8747. And why now it is time to buy? No, to wait. Because after a strong rally, we should wait for the pullback. We can see now how these daily candlesticks, I mean the width of the body, okay, this candlestick body is wider, smaller, dodgy. This is what could happen. Obviously, it could pause here a little bit and then create another impulse, which happens often. But the idea is that trading is a game of patience. Supply and demand is also a game of patience, not prediction. So trading Forex without having patience is not a good recipe for making money. So let's dive into the chart and see what the institutional prints are telling us, because the euro, after breaking on the weekly, even on the weekly time frame, we can see that again, these weekly imbalance played out really well. This one too, they were analyzed a long time ago, and now we can see that the weekly highs have been broken after staying underneath these highs for about 2-3 months, and now it's breaking higher. So on the monthly time frame, we can see also that it's trying to rally into these weeks over here, where we have like classic resistance. Okay, this is not supply. You can see when price reached that area in 2029, it dropped crazy, then 2020 again, okay, 2022 again, and it's heading to that area. So there's a lot of room for the euro versus the British pound to keep on rallying. This daily uptrend that we have now after breaking new highs is showing renewed renewed strength. And in the month of October, this is the Halloween day, 31st of October, Friday. So after breaking these highs, as I said, we have a brand new recent daily demand level, breaking daily highs, weekly highs, monthly highs. It is a key price level for this euro pound Forex major cross pair. Okay, the imbalance formed after a strong impulsive move. We can see weakness now. Okay, and it is a key level for institutional orders that we should be paying attention to. I have an alert set down there to see if it drops down there still in an uptrend. So this is very simple trading. Okay, simplicity is not the right word. Okay, but the thing is that after a very strong rally, we need to wait for the pullback. After a very strong rally, we wait for the pullback. Strong rally, wait for the pullback. Okay, it is always like that. Okay, we need a trend. Obviously, we need a trend with us, and these prints are left by institutional orders trading the Forex market. So the today the euro pound price today is about 0.879. So we need a pullback of about well, 0.5% more or less to drop to this imbalance that we detected on the daily time frame. Okay, so what we should do now? Absolutely nothing. We need to wait, unless you have another strategy that is based on Forex breakout, breaking the highs and everything. Obviously, that's another strategy. We're not talking about that. We're talking about supply and demand. We need to wait. After a strong rally, we need to wait for price to pull back. On the 4-hour, we have new imbalances created here, another one over there. Okay, so the bigger one is here on the daily. So this is where, as I always say in my videos, okay, this is where the art of patience separates a professional trader from emotional one. We should put our emotions aside when trading Forex, because most traders will try to chase the move. Now that the euro versus the pound rallied strongly, they will start chasing in the smaller time frames using the 1 hour, the 50-minute, and as you can see on the 1 hour, it's like flat. Obviously, this happened overnight during the Asian session, so this is a mess. Okay, so we should be waiting for the pullback. as we always do. Sometimes the pullback happens, sometimes it does not, and sometimes they do not play out, obviously. So the Forex market does not move in a straight line, neither the stock market or the crypto market. So we need to wait. Eventually, these pullbacks happen very, very often to these institutional footprints left in the Forex market, and that's where opportunity lives. So we have a weekly uptrend, a daily uptrend, and everything's in an uptrend, breaking new highs. So we need to wait. So the thing is that most people will be trading intraday Forex, scalping in Forex too, and should I swing trade, because this is a swing trade in Forex, or should I scalp? Well, that depends on you and your personality, how much time you have available for you, for your family, for your leisure. Okay, so the answer depends on that lifestyle of yours, your patience level, in terms also of age and clarity. Swing trading using the daily and the weekly demand levels offer a much higher probability setup, but we also have to wait longer. We need to, well, we don't take so many trades, but since the market is so big with so many assets, we have many pairs on the Forex, on the cryptos, on ETFs, on stocks, so many. Okay, so it is, if you truly want to learn how to trade Forex, my recommendation with consistency, start by mastering price action, and then try and learn a little bit about supply and demand imbalances, as I explained, okay, using the bigger time frames, because these are where the real market maps, okay, where institutions have left their footprints. Okay, so daily uptrend, new imbalance, waiting for the pullback. We'll see what happens. If the pullback effectually materializes in the next days, probably next week, in the beginning of November 2025, but the Euro Pound Forex cross pair is got a bullish bias, okay, long term. So we can use smaller time frame Forex strategies, scalping Forex, we can do intraday Forex, but once this imbalance gains control. If you like this video, click on the like button. I will be glad to update and answer your questions. Have a great day.